I have a burning story I want to share to inspire somebody today. My name is Judith. I'm originally from Cameroon, West Africa. I am currently living in Houston, Texas. I'm a mother of two beautiful children. I'm the second of a big family from Africa. So if you're an immigrant like myself, you might relate to me coming from a big family and being a big sister or a big brother. When I traveled from Cameroon, I made promises. I had big goals. I had ambitions. I was coming to America to live the American dream. Little did I know America was going to be kicking me in the butt. Little did I know America was very, very tough. I came into the country and I faced the wall of reality in America. I walked the street of America and I was having nosebleeds every day. I would cry day and night, call my family back home and I tell them I want to come back. My family did not even have money to pay my tickets to come back to Africa. And I was asking myself, what a shame will it be that people will hear that you've traveled and before they know you're coming back empty-handed. So I was determined to make things change. I was determined to make things better no matter what was going on. I picked up odd shifts. I picked up odd jobs. I was doing odd jobs day and night, coming home and crying. But I was determined to change everything that I was going through at that moment. Things got tougher and tougher every day. I decided to go to school as a nurse. I picked up loans to go to school as a nurse. When I finished nursing school, I started working as a nurse. I was picking up extra shifts day and night. It was so tough on my body. I come home with aches and pains every day. I will put on TED hose. I will put on compression stockings to avoid having varicose veins because of the constant standing and bending and lifting and stuff like that. I ended up having a back injury that was very difficult for me. So it was very hard for me to continue working as a bedside nurse. I decided to go to school to become a nurse practitioner to avoid doing the constant lifting that I was lifting as a bedside nurse. Even at that, being a nurse practitioner, the pay was better. However, it still did not give me that life that I desire. It did not give me that financial stability that I've been yearning for. It did not give me that time freedom that I've been yearning for over the years. So I started asking myself, Judy, how do you go about changing your situation? How do you go about making things better for you? Because with the nurse practitioner pay, I'm able to take care of my immediate family bills and stuff like that, but I'm not able to save enough. Am I going to live on Social Security when I get to 60? That is not my goal in life. My goal in life is to live a good life when I'm retired, and to retire early, not to retire when I'm 70 and have no energy to travel. I want to retire when I'm young so I can still travel and have fun and enjoy life. So those things are playing in my mind every day as I'm going to work. So I keep on asking myself, how do I go about changing my financial situation? So I've been looking around to find what I can do to supplement my income. Until bam, one day I stumbled on a digital marketing business advertisement about this lady who was talking about a digital marketing business that she has been using to change her life. She's been using this business to buy properties in the US from the comfort of her home. And I was so skeptical when I came across this advertisement because I've tried businesses in the past and I did not succeed. I thought this was one of those scams. But I did my due diligence to make sure all the boxes checked out for me, and it did. So I started this business few months ago, not too long ago. I started this business just few months ago. My brothers, my sisters, as we're talking, I've been able to use the proceeds of this digital marketing business to pay off the student loans that I took as a nurse practitioner. I've paid off all my student loans. If you've gone to school in America, becoming a nurse practitioner, you can imagine how much loans I've incurred. I've been able to pay off these student loans with the proceeds of this digital marketing business. That is why I decided to come share this story. So if you're an immigrant like myself, if you're a busy parent like myself, who is trying to find a supplemental source of income, who is struggling financially, who is not sleeping at night because you have financial stresses, if you're a nurse who has been standing up and down on the hallways and you're thinking, how do I go about to help this? You're picking up extra shifts every day, but your financial situation is not getting any better. You're coming home with aches and pains every day. This is a business you need to try. My brothers, my sisters, my nurses out there, start a digital marketing business. Instead of picking up those extra shifts that is killing your body physically, that by the time you get to 50, you'll be looking like somebody who is 80 years old. Pick a digital marketing business that you can do at the comfort of your home. On your days off, you can relax and do this. My brothers, my sisters, my busy parents, if you're trying to find a supplemental income source to supplement your finances at home, if you're trying to help the spouse who is working and you're a stay-home mother, start a digital marketing business that is one that can help you. I am here to help you. I started this business with little or no tech knowledge about this business, but it is a business that the system has proven to work. It is built in a way where you get your training. It is individualized training, and you do it at, it is self-paced. The business is automated. You're sleeping at night and it's working for you. We have experts that will build your website for you. You don't have to do anything. All you need to do is start and show up for your business. You get a business that they deliver it in your platter of your palms. for you to just start and show up. That is all you need. Professionals will build your website for you. We have a huge community that is there to support you with anything that you need. You're trained, anything digital marketing, anything that you need to survive or to succeed in this business. You get a training from the digital space. You get a training from the experts in this business. My brothers, my sisters, it is a global market. You can do it at the comfort of any part of the world. You can do this business. You can pass it down to your family. You can pass it down to your children. If I drop dead tomorrow, my children cannot use my next practitioner license to find a job, but they can inherit this business and continue to live the legacy that I've built for them. My brothers, my sisters, this is something we're looking for as immigrants, as parents. That is what we're looking for. You want to build and leave something for your children, so when you're not there tomorrow, they don't suffer like you did. Let me help you. Click on the link below, enter your name and your email address, or click on the comment section below. Enter info or interested, and I will hold your hand. Start a digital marketing business, a business that has proven to work, a business that you work with people who have walked your shoes today, a business that has proven to change people's lives. My brothers, my sisters, I hope to hear from you. If you have a pain, if you have a financial problem that is been keeping you awake at night, if you don't start to change it, if you don't take action to change it, that pain will remain. Crying and not taking action will not change it. So let me help you today. Click on my link below, enter your name and your email address, or click on the comment section below, enter info or interested, and I will hold your hand. Start this business for you step by step. I hope to hear from you. Have a blessed day.